You can turn number 3 into this cute duck. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this step by step. For this, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. Don't forget to draw this cute duck and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. Now grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. On a new layer, I will choose the dark red and I will set my brush size to 15. For this step, I'm using my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush and I will start drawing or writing number 3. Now I will use the editing tool to adjust this shape and I will complete writing number 3. As you see here, I'm using the editing tool just to resize it. And now I'm done drawing the first 3. Here I will draw another 3, but on the opposite side. You can draw it and then flip it using the selection tool. And I will use the editing tool to adjust the shape, just like this. And I will try to close the shape just to create the duck head and body. Now I'm done drawing the basic shape. Here I will use the selection tool to resize and relocate the duck. As you see, this step is optional, but I always prefer to use the selection tool and the editing tool to adjust my drawings. Once I'm done, I will adjust the body here using the selection tool again. Once I'm happy with the shape, I will move to the next step, which is adding details. Here I will add a cute tail, just like this, and I will use the eraser tool to erase the line here. I will draw another 3 for the feet, just like this, and I will keep it stick to the body. And the center of the body, I will draw number 3 for the wing. And now I will add the mouth by drawing this curved line and the center of the face. And I will draw another curved line just like this. I will add 2 cute eyes by drawing this line. And now I will add a cute detail for the head, those tiny hair. And here I will draw a hand, just a curved line. I will keep it simple. And I will add a flower by drawing number 3 again. Here I will close the top of number 3 this way by drawing those lines, and here we have a tulip flower. I will just add a leaf and I will use the selection tool now to select and copy paste the shape here. As you see, I got another flower on a separate layer. I will use the selection tool to relocate and resize the tulip here, and I will just draw this cute line. I will add another leaf, and now I will merge down the layer to the duck layer. I will add cute details, and this step is optional, but I will just draw those hearts around the duck. You can use the selection tool to select copy paste the shape. Once you do this, you will notice that you will get the new shape on a separate layer. You can have another copy of the shape by duplicating the layers as I'm doing now, and once I'm done, I merge all layers into one. Let's move to the next step, which is coloring. For this step, I'll create a new layer, set it underneath the sketch layer. I will choose the pink color and I will drag and drop the color inside the layer, just like this. I will repeat the same process by creating another 2 layers and fill them with different colors. But for this second layer, as you see, I'm using the selection tool to relocate the layer. I'm doing the same thing here just to create 3 layers. Once I'm done, I mirror them into 1 layer, turn on alpha lock, and then I will go to adjustments tool, choosing Gaussian blur, and I blur the layer. Here I'm creating another layer to color the duck using the white color, just like this. I will create a closed line around the duck, and then I will drag and drop the color inside the shape. Now I'll create another layer, choosing yellow color to color the duck's mouth, feet, and to color also the flowers around the duck. For coloring the flowers, I will use the pink color, as you see. And now I will choose the green color to color the leaves here. Finally, I will choose the light yellow to color those parts of the flowers, and my drawing is ready now for the next step, which is adding shadows. For this step, I'll create a new layer, set it above all those layers, and I'll set it on multiply mode. Here I'm adding shadows using the same colors that I used before to color the duck. For example, here I picked up the white color to add shadows to the body, wings, and tail, just like this. Now I'll add those cute dots. And here I will use the yellow to add shadows to the mouth and feet as well. And as I did before, I will use the pink color to add shadows to the flower. Here I'll create a new layer above all those layers, and I will use the pink color to add cute cheeks to the duck by drawing those circles, and I will fill them with the pink color. I will draw another one on the other side, and now I will use the selection tool to make the circle as big as the other one. Once I'm done, I place this layer underneath the shadows layer, and now I will add those cute lines to the cheeks. For adding highlights, I'll create a new layer, set it to screen mode, and I will choose the pure white to add highlights. Here I will add those cute dots to the eyes to make them look brighter. And now I'll start adding those white lines for the flowers, the duck, and those hearts around the character as well. Now my character is ready for the last step, which is adding the final touches. For this step, I will tap with 4 fingers on the screen, choosing copy all, then I will repeat the same process choosing paste, and now I will have the character on a separate layer. Here I will start adding the final touches or the final adjustments on this layer. I choose the color palettes to adjust the colors, just like this. And here I'm adjusting the highlights. Once I'm done, I tap on adjustments, choosing curves just to correct or to adjust the red, green, and blue color. Once I'm done, I tap again on adjustments tool, choosing noise, and I will set the noise to 5, and I will adjust the sharpen as well and set it to 3. Finally, I will go to bloom and set it to 2, just to make my character glowing, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments below. See you. Bye bye.